DIY Pipe Cleaner Snowflake Keychain. Perfect for adding cozy winter vibes. First, take one white pipe cleaner. Shape it into a snowflake with 6 small points. Twist gently after each fold to secure it. Trim off the excess, then make another snowflake the same way. Next, take half of a white pipe cleaner and repeat the process. Shape it into 3 small branches. Make 6 branches in total. Stack them together and trim the stems shorter. Once all the pieces are ready, apply a little hot glue to the back of one snowflake. Glue the small branches on one by one. Then glue the second snowflake onto the back. This gives the snowflake a fuller, layered look. Next, add a light blue tint around both the inner and outer edges. Now grab a tassel. Thread the cord through one point of the snowflake and tie 2 tight knots. Add a small drop of glue to secure it. Finally, fold a ribbon in half and thread it through another point. Tie it tightly to create the hanging loop. Your winter snowflake keychain. is finished.